Hi, hello, how are you? I hope you guys are doing good. Today we'll learn about the installing Java. How to install Java. Okay. So when you just go to browser and search for something called install Java in Windows. Okay. So when you just navigate to this location, go to Java downloads. Okay. Here's the location where you will find the exact version. So for example, if you are trying to install JDK 25, so there are different versions of Java. So when you just try to click on this and go to Windows location and try to download the installer. So if you want to install, click on installer, download this, click on download. It will download this uh, that particular Java version to your local system. Okay, once this downloading finishes, what you will do is you will click on next, next, next. Okay, so since I am using this Mac OS laptop, I don't have I cannot show you how what exactly is happening, but I can help you the screenshots. Okay, I have some screenshots taken up. So what will happen is once you download that Java, okay, so it will actually redirect. It is just like installing any other software in your Windows. Okay, it is like you have some GUI, right? So when you click on that download and click on next, 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 it will show you this. And finally, it will show you installing Java. Okay, so when you click on that, once this finishes, go to the command prompt. Okay, go to the command prompt and search for the environment variables. When you click on the just before that, what you will do is once Java installation finishes, good, it will download to this location. Okay, so it will just download to this C program files Java JDK. Okay, JDK version whatever you're installing and navigate to this bin location. Copy that path and go to the command prompt, search for the environment variables. Okay, so once you search for the environment variables, so there you just go to the system variables. Okay, so under the system variables you will click on new, and so there you see something called path under the system variables. So once you click on path, don't edit anything, don't touch the existing things, just it will open a window like this. Click on new and paste the that location, Java location which you have copied earlier. Paste here and click on OK. Okay, so once you click on OK and go to the command prompt again and type something called Java hyphen version. So once you search, once you type something called Java hyphen version, it will show you version like this. It means that Java is installed successfully. Okay, thank you for that, and we will learn about the Java programs in the next videos. Thank you for that.